Good morning students. In this class, I will be doing class 10 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus 4th chapter geometry exercise 4.4 11th sum. In triangle ABC with angle B is equal to 90 degree, BC is equal to 6 centimeter and AB is equal to 8 centimeter. D is a point on AC such that AD is equal to 2 centimeter and E is the midpoint of AB. Join D to E and extend it to meet at F. Find BC. So this is the question given. So we'll draw a diagram for the given information. Angle B is given as 90 degree. So we'll draw a triangle first with angle B as 90 degree. So a rough figure only we are going to draw. So ABC is a triangle with angle B 90 degree. BC is given as 6 centimeter and AB is given as 8 centimeter. Then D is a point on AC. So we'll keep a point D on AC such that AD is 2 centimeter. And E is a point, E is the midpoint of AB. So here E is there. So I'll erase this. So this is E. E is the midpoint of AB. Since the length of AB is given as 8 centimeter, E is the midpoint. We'll get 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter here. Okay. Then join D to E and extend it to meet at F. So extending this like this to meet it at BC. So this is F. So now we are asked to find the measure of this BF. So for finding this, we'll use Kevin's theorem. So this theorem states that AE by EB, AE by EB into BF by FC into CD by DA is equal to 1. So this is the theorem. So if we substitute all these values from the given information and equate it to 1, we'll get the missing value of BF here. Okay, so for substituting this, here it is given FC. So this is the measure of FC. So we'll rewrite this FC as BF plus BC. So what is the measure of BC? 6 centimeter. BF only we are asked to find. So we can write this as 6 plus BF. So that is the measure of FC. So FC we can write it as 6 plus BF. AE we got it as 4 centimeter. So that we will substitute. EB also 4 centimeter. And BF we are asked to find. FC is 6 plus BF. CD. So for finding CD, we'll take this ABC triangle. That is Pythagoras theorem we will use. So in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. So AC squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared. So AB squared is 8 squared plus BC squared is 6 squared. So 64 plus 36, we'll get it as 100. So length of AC squared is 100. So AC is equal to 10 centimeter. So this full length of AC is 10 centimeter. So this AD is 2 centimeter. So we'll get the measure of CD as 8 centimeter. Okay. So CD will substitute 8 centimeter by DA 2 centimeter. Now we got all the values. We'll substitute this in the substituting all the value in the first equation. So first equation is AE by EB, AE by EB into BF by FC into CD by DA is equal to 1. So AE by EB, AE is 4 centimeter by EB is 4 centimeter into BF is, we are asked to find, by FC is, we got it as 6 plus BF into CD is 8 centimeter by DA is 2 centimeter equal to 1. Okay, so now 4 and 4 will get cancelled. 2 4 times we are having. So this 4 and BF we will multiply. So we'll get 4 BF is equal to 6 plus BF, when we are multiplying it by 1, we'll get 6 plus BF. So when you are bringing this, BF to this side, it will become 3 BF is equal to 6. So BF is equal to 6 by 3, that is equal to 2 centimeter. So this is the value for BF. We are asked to find the value of BF. Find BF. So the value of BF is 2 centimeter. Okay, understood how we are getting this? We got BF as 2 centimeter. Okay, thank you.